Am I communicating? Now that means if you already know the melting point of a substance and you want to test whether it's pure, once you want to melt it, it will melt at a temperature range lower than its melting point. You don't need anyone to tell you that this substance is no longer what? Pure. That it has what? Impurity. Now, let me to melt boiling point. Presence of impurity in a liquid increases the what? Elevates the what? Boiling point. Presence of impurity elevates the what? Or increases the what? Boiling point. It's actually a range. The temperature range at which it boils will be higher than the what? Normal boiling point. That means if you have a liquid and you are boiling it, you already know the boiling point of this liquid. And at the boiling point when the boiling point is reached, like that, sort like water. You are looking at the water. It's water. Maybe the mixture doesn't show. You know there's something you add in water. You know there's something there, and you are boiling by at 100 degrees Celsius. It's supposed to boil, but when you get to 100 degrees Celsius, it didn't.
Admission. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I bring good news. Admission into the diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician EENU Mission Hospital is on. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhT) is an accredited tertiary institution that offers students a diploma degree to work in hospitals and pharmaceutical companies in order to promote safe and effective use of medicines at grassroots level. Graduates of Pharmacy Technician School EENU who wish to study pharmacy in the university can obtain direct entry into any university of their choice. The school has a well-equipped laboratory, comfortable hostel, and a healthy refectory. The requirements for admission are credit in English, mathematics, biology, chemistry and physics. In GCE, WAEC, NECO, NABTEB are not more than 2 sittings. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhT) is located at EENU Mission Hospital, Ogidi, Anambra State. For more information, call 0803 708 1512, 0813 868 2003, 0803 267 5322. Diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician. A tradition of excellence.